Here's how to block unwanted contacts on Snapchat quickly. First, you need to go ahead and launch your Snapchat application. Make sure that the Snapchat application is up to date and launch it. Go ahead, log into your specific account. Then after, you need to go ahead and tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen. From this page, you need to go ahead and scroll down and tap on My Friends, which is under the Friends section. Find the person that you want to remove and press and hold onto their name. Once done, from the menu that appears, you'll see the option of Manage Friendship. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll get 4 different options of block, report, remove friend, and edit display name. Go ahead, tap on block option, and then tap on block again to confirm, and you'll be done. The person will be now blocked. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.